Chix Boutique, where we are featuring today the Piphany Oakland tee. Yes, you have probably heard this name several times because this is the third release of the Piphany Oakland tee. And why is that? Because it is one of our most popular t-shirts. And let me tell you, it is more than a t-shirt. I'll just stick with calling it the Oakland because honestly, it is a gorgeous, gorgeous top, okay? So this is one from a previous release that may or may not be able to be released again this time. Now, the release is tonight, Wednesday, the 20th of February, and you are going to be in for a treat. So you need to go ahead and join us at classychixboutique.com. I will put that in the notes as well so that you can just click on it and go. Now, let's talk a little bit about the Oakland. Okay, so we have a beautiful top with a gorgeous neckline. It's a scoop neck. I have a bralette underneath it so that it just kind of fills that space a little bit. That's how I prefer to wear it. It is not something you have to do. I just like to decorate it up and not wear jewelry, so that's what I do. Anyways, a great shorter sleeve, a great conforming body. Now, this appears to be a fitted tee. It is not. It is actually an awesome relaxed tee. Now, how do you size it? You're going to size it true to size. So if you are 12-14 large, you will wear the size I'm wearing, which is true to size. I'm a large on the Piphany scale, and I am a 12-14 in my other clothing. So that is the fabulous thing about these because they are so easy to fit. You are almost guaranteed every time to get an exact fit that is loved by you and your closet. So, let's talk a little bit more about the structure. Okay, so we have a little bit of a scoop here. Okay, so it's hide and tummy. I'm actually wearing it over leggings. Hide your butt, okay? And then it comes up here because that gives you a little bit of a slimming effect. And I really like how it scoops and comes up there. I love how it contours to my body. It is not tight, by the way. It is not at all. It's very loose. The sleeves, lots of room in the sleeves, yet we cannot see the bra, so that's a 2 thumbs up. And I just love the fact that it is so fun to wear. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit more about the release tonight. In our VIP group on Facebook, classychixboutique.com, you will be able to find us and the Oakland tonight. And we are going to show you about 28 different designs in various sizes from extra small to 3X. So depending on when you pop in will depend on whether or not you get your first choice. This is going to be a limited release as always with our boutique. So, but I'm so excited to bring you the Piphany Oakland. So what do you guys think about it? Go ahead and tell me in the comments how you guys feel about the Oakland, and also make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell so that you can get your notifications when we are posting a video again. So I hope you'll join me tonight around 8 and pick out your favorite Oakland from the awesome designs. Remember, classychixboutique.com is where you can find it. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.